reg meridians, accelerate blood circulation, recommended duration 15 minutes. Place some oil in hand and warm it up by rubbing between hands, then spread it on abdomen. Alternately knead the belly back and forth with both hands. Stroke along ribs towards waist sides. Stroke along groins towards waist sides. Alternately push ascending colon upwards, transverse colon horizontally, descending colon downwards with both hands. Overlap hands and move in small clockwise circles around the navel. Alternately lift belt vessel on both sides of waist with both hands. Repeat the same on the other side. Wipe treatment area with a towel. Lead operation. Enhance fat dissolving. Accelerate fat metabolism. Parameter setting. Recommended mode M1. Recommended time 2000 INS. Recommended energy 3. Take a strap, select from short, medium, long straps according to individual size and fix it on abdomen. Insert the lead pads into the strap. Let it work for 20 minutes. Turn off the machine. Take out the pads, untie the straps, and end. Note: avoid sauna, hot springs, or strenuous exercise after treatment. Take a shower 4-6 hours later after treatment. Keep warm. Do not eat cold, spicy, or stimulating food. Drink a lot warm water. Keep hydrating to accelerate metabolism. Take 1-2 sessions a week, and a course of treatment is made up of 12 sessions. Truncations, why men in period of pregnancy or lactation, people with heart disease or pacemaker, people with unhealed wound from a surgery or in the recovery period, people suffering from epilepsy, severe diabetes, hyperthyroidism, malignant tumors, people suffering from skin disease or infectious diseases.